So, if you watched the previous video, you know that I now have this leftover tabletop from a coffee table. And instead of just throwing it away, I had the bright idea that I'm gonna turn it into a birthday gift. And what that birthday gift is gonna be now we need to make our second shelf for that bracket. Let's get it. So here we have our second shelf, all edge band, sanded, stained. We're gonna let this dry overnight, and then we're gonna seal it with some urethane, and this will be pretty much done. We'll just have to deliver it for Christian's birthday. And bada boom, bada bang, 3 coats of the Varathane polyurethane spray can, water-based satin finish. There it is, has been applied. And we are smooth and ready to go. So now the last step is gonna be to install it. And I'm just waiting for a text from Christian, and I'll take it to his house. This is still a surprise, he still doesn't know he's gonna get this. So it's actually his wife texting me. Anyways, waiting for that text, then we're gonna get over there and we are gonna drop it off for the surprise.
Post-production Chico here. I didn't record an outro for this video. Peter's here because we're doing the Texas vlog right now. So you're seeing a video within a video while I'm editing the video. Anyways, if you like the video, please like the video. It helps the channel out a ton. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below. What else should I transform from one desk furniture piece into a different desk furniture piece? Let me know your thoughts down below. As always, have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.